30 men, 30 silver swords, 30 completely different energies. Some walk in like CEO, some move like artists, some don't speak yet command the entire room. Tonight, we discover why silver never looks the same twice. Hey guys, welcome back to Cute Man 0.2, where mature elegance meets real presence. If you appreciate powerful grown man style, subscribe to Cute Man 0.2 because episode 626 is all about visual dominance and refined confidence. Today we present the top 30 and some silver suited daddies. Different styles, different edition. This is variety at its finest. So guys, today video is one of the best videos, so don't skip this video, watch till the end, and must be mentioned in the comment section which is your favorite silver suited dad. And if you like today handsome silver suited daddies, then do it subscribe Cute Man 0.2, press the bell button to get more new video notification. Subscribe, like, share, comment. The short silver 3-piece suit, polished shoes, minimal accessories. These daddies are structured, disciplined, planned. Usually between 50 and 65, they have been built business, close deals, and mysterious patience. Their silver suit is not flashy, it's precious. Slim fit silver suit, open collar, confident posture. These men come from places like Italy, Spain, France, Germany, Turkey, USA, Asia countries, and many more other countries. They mix elegance with charm. They smile easily, they carry romance in their eye. Their silver shines softly, never aggressively. The mysterious minimals. No tie, no heavy jewelry, clean lines. This daddies does not talk much, usually between 55 and 70. He prefers privacy over noise. He is not trying to impress you, and that's exactly why he does. The fit silver cake, athlete body, tailored silver suit, hanging strong shoulders. Gym discipline meet mature control. These men still train, still invest in health, still move with purpose. Their silver is not soft, it's sharp and commanding. The beard silver gentleman, full beard, deep voice, warm but powerful presence. Their silver suit paired with facial hair create contrast, protective yet composed. The retired powerhouse, he does not work anymore. He chooses his schedules, he chooses his company, he chooses peace. Silver suit for him symbolize victory. He has already achieved what he wanted. Now he enjoy it. Episode 626 features silver suited daddies from United States, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Canada, Australia, Turkey, Japan, Brazil, UAE, South Korea, and South Africa. Different cultures, different tailing styles, but one common theme: mature control. Lifestyle energy. These silver suited men enjoy private dinners, business class travel, an exist car without loud, meaningful relationships. They don't seek validations, they invest in stability. Relationship energy. Some are in long-term, sure-gay couples built on trust. Some enjoy refined age-gap relationships. Some prefer companionship that matches their maturity. No cause, no drama, just romance, understanding. The real secret of silver. Silver is not young man's color. It reflects patience. Some silver is not a young man color. It reflects experience, it reflects patience, it reflects someone who has faced strong. It still walks confidently. That's why it works so well on mature daddy. So guys, episode 626 proves something important. Style is not about fabric, it's about how a man carries his life. If you enjoy this powerful silver collection, subscribe to Cute Man 0.2, like the video and share it with someone who understands mature luxury. Now tell me in the comment section which silver style dominates tonight. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.